I'm getting a little bit annoyed at trains at the moment. But that's not why we're here today. Today, we're here to talk about music. The theory of the theory, so to speak. So today, we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of making music, and that is putting your instruments together, how to make them work really nice together. So at the moment, I've only got this acoustic guitar, but that doesn't mean that we can't put a couple different instruments together. So that's a bit of a guitar string, and then right there, you'll see that I've used two different ideas, and I've gotten two completely different sounds. The nature of the sound, the dun dun, that's not unique to the guitar or unique to finger picking like that. Something like that you could easily get out of a piano, playing it through one thing. You could get it on a bass guitar, you could get it on a harp, you could get it on a flute if you wanted to, do it like that. All that's going to change is the nature of the sound, the specifics, whereas the key is going to stay the same, and the key is very important, and it's something that I really underestimated when I first started getting into music. The thing is with the key is that you think you can ignore it a little bit and you can just put stuff together because both of them sound good, and that's not really how it works. All of it is one continuous flowing thing. So if I have, for instance, a basic little, let's call this a bass line. Now you think, okay, I want to put something nice over that, like a little bit of a guitar riff. So I could just start going, like. And the problem that's going to come in is when, for instance, I'm now going to edit those two little things together. Let's see just how well it works. Not very well at all. And those ideas in your head, they sounded like they could go okay together. And the problem is that there's too much difference between what's going on. I would say there are three main elements to music. You've got your texture, and that's just a very simple little thing that kind of keeps everything going. It's the theme, it's the idea behind what's going on, the specifics. And the specifics are the melody and the rhythm. Now, they kind of work very similarly. A rhythm would be that is a very clear rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it's something that you can count up like that. But just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doesn't really give an idea of the melody behind that. See, as I'm playing it, as I start playing it faster in what are called eighth notes, it would seem almost like the music is getting slightly higher, even though the key is remaining completely the same. I'm just doing a bit of a modified basic C chord with a bit of a G in there. Now, a proper change in melody would be something like. Right there, you've gone from one thing to the next thing. Now there's a circle of harmony that goes into that, and there's a lot of theory into that that even goes right beyond my head, and it's not really in the place of a total amateur to really get right into the music theory. If you get too involved in music theory will eat you alive.